Let's go and die, and there we can see it goes invisible. Very nice. Now obviously we don't want to go back to the first level, so we'll go and adjust that. Now once we make this heart, whichever one it is, go invisible, we should subtract lives by 1. So we'll go to variables, set number of lives, which is here. We want to set it to whatever it was, -1. So operators plus, change that to minus. Variables, we want number of lives -1. Good. Then instead of after 3 seconds going to the first level, we'll check if the player has more than 0 lives. If they do have 0 lives, they should it should be game over, and they should actually do this, go to the first level. So let's just make a function for that now. We'll go to functions, do something. This function will be called the game over function, and that means in 3 seconds go to the first level. And then in here we'll check, is it game over? Do they not have more than 0 lives? So we'll go to control flow, and we want to ask if lives is greater than 0. So greater than from operators, if number of lives is greater than 0. If lives is greater than 0, then we want to respawn. Else, if it's not greater than 0, we want to go to game over. So we want to change this if to if else. Drag that else into there. Then from functions we want game over, and put that in the else. So we don't have more than 0 lives, it's game over. Otherwise, we do want to respawn if we've got enough lives. So we'll go to functions, make a new function for respawn, and we'll put that function in here. So more than 0 lives, respawn, else game over. Now what is respawn actually going to do? Well, let's make it so that after 1 second, which should be enough time to see the die animation play, we will set them back to being alive, because we set them we set alive to false up here when they lose a life. So set alive back to true after a second. So control flow time delay, say 1 second, that's got to be 1000 milliseconds. Set alive to true, and enable the physics because we disabled it up here. So re-enable them, and also make it visible. Make the player visible, just in case when the dying animation loops we set it to invisible, so we want them to come back to being visible. And let's test it out. Let's see if we can lose lives. So I lost a life and I respawned. Awesome.